This is my E55 in 2005. So alright. Okay. Start it. That one noise is disturbing me, like power steering noise. This one, whine. I just slightly push accelerating and you can hear that sound, that whine. Let me put it closer to the engine. And second one is tuck 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 sound. It's better here when I push a slight accelerator and then okay, I hear it. I hear it. Someone here. Well, here I hear it under the left wheel. Click, click, tick, 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 click. That one. Don't know if that is okay. You can hear it here too. Here. I stop the supercharger. I stop it and error that sound is exist. So that's not supercharged sound. Sound is here and here.